Welcome to GOA7, the best YouTube channel for you to learn softwares in the world of Geographical Information Science, GIS. So for today, I'm going to be taking you through the steps how to import data into Quantum GIS. For this step, I'm going to be taking you through the importation of the vector data and CSV data, because that's the data right now I have in my computer. So let's start. For the various steps, if you want to access the data, in case you don't have it, you can always watch the previous video so that you can learn how to download the data. So I'll go straight to my Quantum GIS. Here is my Quantum. I've already opened it, but if you are to open it, it will always take some time depending on the processor speed of the laptop. If your laptop is slow, it will delay. If your laptop is faster, it will always open very fast. So mine is already open. So when you come to your Quantum, you always go to new project. You double click on it. After double clicking on it, you are going to be looking for a way of now importing your data. There are different steps of importing data, so I'm going to take you to the various steps. This is the first one. So this is my data. It was already on my desktop, like I'd put it on the desktop, or you can always browse and look for where your data is. Like mine is on desktop, it's here, QGIS. So if this is my data, I don't need all this information, so I'm just going to type SHP to only access the shapefile. So I can just drag all this or pick only one of this and put it. This is the administrative data for Uganda, like showing the various boundaries of Uganda. So if this is my data, as you can all see, let me zoom to layer so that it appears. You zoom to layers. This is my data. I've finished importing. That is like one of the quickest steps to import. You think your coordinate system, if you want to set the coordinate system, you can always come down here at the corner here where there is EPSG at the corner. If you can see where the pan is moving, it's here. You tap on it. So when you tap on EPSG, it takes you to your coordinate system. Which coordinate system do you want? Where are you exactly? It's WGS 84 because I've put the entire country. That's like for the entire world. You can see a picture down here that shows the entire world. But if I was like working in the topmost part of Uganda, I could say use this arc. It shows you where it covers. Then south is for the southern part. So this coordinate system depends on the country that you're working on. You can always change it according to the country that you're working with. So you say apply, you say OK. So the coordinate system is set. So if this is done, I can always first cancel all of them so that I don't see them. So it's already here. I've just clicked so that I can't access them. So I'm going to take you to another step of importing the vector data. This is vector data we are working on. So you come back here to up here, I see in this corner. So a vector data, you always come to vector here. So vector, you come and browse where your vector data is. This is a longer step. The first step that I've taken you through was this quicker one, and that's easy to access. Oh, this is my data. So I can just access one of this. So you can enlarge, remove this so that you know what you are selecting. Saying shapefile, shape, so you can select this. You say open. It has brought for you this. Then you say add. You can always say add you add it. If you close this, this is your data already added. This is the data that you have added just right now. So that's another step to add data. And if you see the attribute table, it has only Uganda, because this one you have just added the boundary showing a map of just Uganda. So this is it. This is how they import vector data into GIS Quantum mostly. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.